Today, we're making prawn balchao or balichao. The ingredients you'll need are 2 onions, 3 to 4 chilies according to your wish, and almost 1 full garlic. You can remove the head of the prawns if you want to. Marinate it with 1 tablespoon of haldi, salt, and squeeze 1 lemon. Marinate it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add any refined or whatever oil you prefer in your pan. After the oil is heated, add in your chopped garlic and fry them till they're golden brown. After they're fried, take them out and keep it aside. Now fry the onions till they're golden brown. Keep frying. Put your onions aside too. Now, fry your dried chilies just for a few seconds. Here's all the fried ingredients. Fry your marinated prawn for about a minute. Add chili powder and coriander powder. Also, no extra salt is needed, because we already added it while marinating the prawn. Keep frying the prawns. Now, add your fried garlic, onion, and chili for 2 to 3 minutes. Now your prawns are ready to eat. It's done. I'm garnishing it with coriander. You can also squeeze some lemon on it.